Hi, and welcome to Premier Literacy's tutorial on Etext Reader. In this video, we're going to show you how to open the program, and we'll show you a few of the basic features to get you started. So I'm going to go to the Premier Tools icon on my desktop. I'm going to open up Etext Reader by clicking the e-reader icon on the toolbar. So when the program starts up, we see the interface here. We've got our buttons across the top, and we've also got the tabs, which will show us different buttons. Currently, we're on the Home tab. Go to Writing, Reading, Studying, Settings, and Help, and it will show you all those in the different training videos. For now, I'm going to go back to Help and open up a file. And we see our file loads in. If I click the Read button, it'll start reading from where I have my cursor placed, which is at the start of the document here.
I would like to introduce you to Team Premier Literacy's commitment to literacy, breaking down barriers and learning how to soar.
And click the Stop button to stop the reading. So there's other ways I can read. If I use the right arrow key, it'll read letter by letter.
F O U N D E D.
So we can get the spelling of a word that way. If I hold down the Control key and use the right arrow, I can actually read word by word.
Premier Literacy.
So they're both very useful features. If we'd like to change the voice that it's using to read, we can actually click on Voices.
This is Capstrol Cali.
This is Microsoft and English United States.
And we hear two voices here. The first one is the one I'm going to go ahead and change, and I'm going to switch that to Capstrol David.
This is Capstrol David.
I can adjust the rate here if I'd like to drag the slider to the left to make it slower or to the right to make it faster. I'll make it a little faster.
Rate is 3.
Now the second voice is going to be used with the advanced reading options enabled, and I'll show you more on this in the auditory highlighting video later. The auto-identify parts of the document is going to come up in the summarization video. So for now, I'm just going to click OK.
Voice set to Capstrol David.
If I go back to the start of the sentence and click Read,
I founded Premier Literacy to develop technology that will help people to reach their full potential.
and I'll just click the Stop button once again to stop the reading. So there's also some features built into Etext Reader that'll help you study. You can go on over to the Studying tab. I'll show you the bookmarking feature. Very often when studying, you're going to need to find your way back to certain information, and in a long document, this can become kind of difficult. So we have the bookmarking tool available. Just going to go up here and click Mark, and we see this icon appears here. That means there's a bookmark in that location. If I scroll down, put one later in my document, then I'll put one near the end as well. So if I now click on Next Bookmark, it will just jump to each of my bookmarks. As you're probably already seeing, this option can save you loads of time. The Find feature can also be very useful. Basic, but all we do is type in a word, and we'll hit Find, and it jumps right to it. If you want to search up, we just switch it over to up. Also, the match case, if we uncheck that, it will find both capitalized and uncapitalized versions of the word. So that can be a useful tool for finding your way back to information as well, if you know the wording. So that's been an introduction to Etext Reader. Be sure to view the rest of the videos in the series and visit our website, which is www.readingmadeeasy.com. Thanks for watching.